This is Dogzilla Robot Dog. It is a programmable AI vision quadruped robot. Its body is made of metal material. Use Raspberry Pi as the main controller. Dogzilla is equipped with 12 sets of high-performance servos, 12 motion joints. It can flexibly change its own posture and realize a variety of bionic actions. Dogzilla as an open-source quadruped robot. It adopts ROS 2 robot operating system, can help users get started quickly. Robot Dog is equipped with Lidar. Maps can be built in real time with omnidirectional laser scanning. Yarboom provide exclusive mapping navigation app. Users can control Dogzilla to complete mapping navigation. Dogzilla can also accurately perceive the surrounding obstacles by Lidar. Realize dynamic obstacle avoidance. Set cruise route in advance. Let Dogzilla realize autonomous patrol. Combined with voice interaction module, Dogzilla can accurately identify instructions. Hi Yarboom.
Hi, I'm here.
Go to the point A.
Okay, I'm going to the point A.
Yellow color.
This is yellow.
Red color.
This is red.
Red following.
Okay, I found the red.
We combine AI vision with the robot dog. It has the ability to perceive external information and realize more interesting interactive function. We can also choose any color with AI vision. Realize all kinds of cool functions, such as visual tracking, climbing obstacles, etc. When Dogzilla detects a face, it can be like a real pet shake hands, or acting cute. Dogzilla can obtain QR code instructions and perform corresponding actions. Integrate virtual information with reality. Present graphics on checkerboard paper through our augmented reality technology. Deep fusion of AI vision algorithm to identify tag pose coordinates. Let Dogzilla track this target in real time. Based on the built-in bionic gait algorithm, we achieve motion state superposition on Dogzilla. IMU attitude sensor makes it possible to keep body balance at all times. When disturbed by external factor, the attitude sensor will help it return to its original direction of motion. We also designed an exclusive app for Dogzilla. Users can remote control it anywhere. With wireless handle, enjoy FPV remote control in real time. In order to reduce the difficulties encountered by users when using, we provide many courses and codes, help users quickly get started and experience Dogzilla. Everyone can redevelop it to make it what you want it to be. This is Yarboom Dogzilla quadruped robot. Your idea and coding can bring it more possibilities.